Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we are analyzing a serious development in Upper Nile State, the reported down attack on Baliet County in Upper Nile. The big question many people are asking right now are, why attack Baliet? Why this move toward Malakal? And could this push President Salva Kiir Mayardit to final call for peace? Let's break this down carefully, calmly, and honestly. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. What happened in Baliet? According to the report, in the morning around 5 a.m., fighting broke out in Baliet town. A report said opposition force attacked from the east. The clash lasted about 1.5 hours. Later, video circulated online. Some opposition supporters claimed Baliet had fallen, and others, the pro-government support, also showed government forces still inside the town after showing a video, which many people claim is a whole video. According to report, the attack was repelled. Civilian fled north toward Malakal for safety. So, the attack did not succeed in capturing the town, at least not this time, according to the report. But the bigger question is not just whether they won. The bigger question is, why Baliet? Why is Baliet important? Baliet is not just a random location. Look at the map. Baliet sits between opposition stronghold in the east and Malakal in the northwest. Malakal is the capital of Upper Nile State. Malakal is a strategic town. It is a military base. It controls key river routes. It has symbolic political importance. If you control Baliet, you move closer to Malakal. If you cannot, if you control Baliet, you move closer to the SSPDF. So this become a pressure point. So even an attempted attack send a message, Malakal is not far. Would taking Baliet give access to Malakal? Let's analyze this. Let's be realistic. Even if SPLA are taken Baliet, well, that does not automatically mean they could take Malakal. Malakal has a stronger military presence. It has reinforcement. It has river and air support. Urban fighting is much harder than attacking a small town, but this is not what the SPLA is thinking. SPLA, they have strategies. They've been fighting the government for years. And their hope is that they can overthrow Malakal. Even if the government of South Sudan has all this weapon, every weapon. So capturing Malakal is one thing. Holding it is another. So if SPLA capture Baliet, it could open a pathway. Yes, it could open a pathway to Malakal. Sometimes we can also say it cannot guarantee access to Malakal. It would increase pressure, but no guarantee victory. What could SPLA gain from this? There are several possible gains. Number one, military pressure. Government forces have recently been redeployed to other counties. The SSPDF that may have left some areas less protected. An attack like this tests government defenses. It asks, where are you weak? Even if unsuccessful, it reveals information. Second, psychological impact. Sometimes in conflict, the message is more important than the territory. An attack near Malakal creates anxiety. it forces the government to react. It shows supporters that the opposition is still active. Momentum matters in war, even symbolic momentum. Third, political leverage. Control of territory often equal negotiation power. Even threatening key town can strengthen a bargaining position. But this only works if the opposition can maintain control, not just launch short attacks and leave. A report mentioned that many attackers may have been Y army element, the Nuer Y army element. That makes the situation more complex because the Nuer Y army is not always centrally commanded in the same structure way as regular forces. So we must ask, where this centrally planned? Where is it locally driven? Where is it opportunistic? That uncertainty increase instability, and instability make peace more fragile. So does this push key toward peace? This is the most important question. Will this attack push President Salva Kiir Mayardit to call for peace in South Sudan? There are two possible paths. Path one, escalation. The government may respond with more troop deployment, a stronger military response, other positioned. If leaders sees this attack as aggression, they may decide to respond with force. That could increase tension across Upper Nile. Second, path two, warning signal. But there is another possibility. This attack could serve as a warning. It shows that military repositioning creates vulnerabilities. It shows that fighting can quickly return. It shows civilians are once again fleeing. If leaders see this as a signal that the situation is fragile, they might push harder for dialogue. But peace requires political will on both sides. War does not end because of one attack. War ends when leaders decide the cost is too high. We must not forget the civilian. Families fled, people were afraid, market closed, morning turned into chaos. For ordinary people, it does not matter who control Baliet. They just want stability. Upper Nile has already suffered destruction before. Nobody wants Malakal to burn again. Unless if President Salva Kiir Mayardit force push toward the SPLA territory, and that will leave SPLA with no choice but fight. Let's look at the bigger risk. If clash continue, ethnic tension could rise, a river route could be disrupted, regional stability could weaken, humanitarian need could increase. A small clash can grow if not contained. History has shown us that in South Sudan, a small spark can become larger fires. So what would SPLA gain from attacking Baliet if they indeed involved? Short-term pressure, visibility, testing government defenses, long-term uncertainty. Would it give them Malakal? Not easily. Would it automatically bring peace? No, but it sent a signal. And how leaders respond to that signal will determine what happens next. So here is my personal reflection on this. Many South Sudanese are tired of war. Every new class reopen all wound. This means this moment could become the beginning of escalation, or it could become a wake-up call. And we hope President Salva Kiir listen to call for peace. We hope opposition leaders also choose dialogue, because in the end, no side truly win if the country returns to instability. Peace requires courage. War only requires reaction. The choice now is political. I thank you for watching Changfied News. What do you think? Were this strategic move a warning or a dangerous escalation? Share your thoughts respectfully in the comment. Subscribe for deeper political analysis. Like the video if you value informed discussion. Guadame banarach katin content latinyo guasame. The quick core down to okray which kamalakal. Ke dokola chalo no Baliet guadana tika malakal. Banrach kadob down de koni bikijan. Question one element take along native one ke jolatke. Angu make Baliet kajamo kuma SPLA yo ke nwer wayami. No. En doba make Baliet kajamo de la doko ba Malakal ba jama. Ke de la wo prison self kema yadit ba mal be je cholnyo. Ko en Baliet gojamo ajen micha dak ke na ci SPLA yo ci gade kaf. Manchi do the woody, they not dig way Malakal. They are not there make access. Money can direct to Malakal. Kakuja Mogwasame, Kajo Chalat, Kurunu Alonga 30 a.m. to Kurcho to walk, Kabali town. One Michala won and she opposition force, less feel you can and where army. You can Bali, you can a cap. Kid you can a mark. Kurmo White take a tackle canus. Kachwala de wonene ci SPLA yo ci kare ki kana kaf kachu ne de kono chunkele kirm yadi jukala no kan bali de kana kaf kurme chora lat keri pone kono chalat gwasme yalla do ci ne den konti la jiguch wa charen bar ringa ka Malakal ko buga we ka kem ci pengu di jara bar ka balit ko changaje no kor we ka Malakal ak jo chalat gwasme wa ci ne den konti la de ni SPLA yo ken wel waya Mikel ke jo chari pode ken jikume ken ji SPLA yo ken we wonyam chari rit so chana gwi gwasme Baliet ngai kondi ala no jena location and we ka Malakal nugui kona ka meben meni de kona ngaje no Malakal tiake long mi cha Baliet kef chatok direct to Malakal but Malakal bane ngaje no nene a shenga men strategic town kire ngai ka no take den midit ko ngai ga jela to no tege den midida na panal kamal kal ko jin the city dunga panal tege military mid base midid ka tege den di alen godan re nyale ken tege re nyale kon la kanawya boko ke kan den SPDF tege kamal kal ngwen mo Malakal jen goda dan en dek yirdi alpintin mite bonde jen chet ka Humanitarian top kan lok la jen kamal kal ke boneken du ken kulawe so nyu jeno agwan midit michi kumrodo latin kuma ken mi yadit michi abale chaje control tema de ne den wande we ke de ga ka Malakal takola de wona na gwasme michi SPLA yo chicken Baliet ken ko kap de ka jago de ga chuku Malakal de ko laro wona a chenchi SPLA yo je ko kap tikitin chaga de mal jago bu chu Malakal no ko en Malakal de keluteten ka determination na ta kuma SPLA yo kaci kana lat kanishi first time no baga nyinke de SSPD bla nyinne kanishian nganne ta dan nyinne ka kaje minyo zodi mi cha Baliet kabda ka mo access ka dar shal ko Malakal ashan na man de kuma de kan ta reinforcement ka de kare na de kan kaje ka de kan bin gare yere chala da wo kuma SPLA yo ko koredi kadi kon lat korudin de kon chular wodi michi Baliet chala which mi mo micha kef kachi kan we won yam kan SPLA yo dar joje no de kan we ka Malakal tem cha kulat gwasmen gonene mene din kon tar ka kur ken nor wai army chi organized force la beka bikan melet kan bukan lat ka barori chi kan tare which anu kuma SPLA yo karwada michi kan we kabde retena men michi we won yamano yaro chagalat mi SPLA yo ka gojo Baliet daga de tin kade kan we wonyam de no me nwer wayami chikan de we wonyam de kan malet kan de kan la de ka rodien go ko kan chikan go rote Malakal kef kan ba chagala de wonene mi chi kume che reinforcement che jelat che de ni SSPDF chaga jakka che renal chaga jak wa de kume SPLA yo de ka tel cho de no de ko wonyam ba tem chagala de kume SPLA yo gwadme kene continue targen netin kontila civilian ko oriente kam de nganetin kontila de ni SSPDF jenta dan len maru den keja so mede kuma kirim yadit der de indera kajak wade koda remni roda. So the question is here chirman charangan manan misha bale chaja kaf ke wo kuma SPLA yo wo ka wonyam de kirim yadi dar mal dar jandok ko jaram dana logo be mal ben batim chalat gwasemene a chang chikirim yadi chamal che benok wa ko signal ko jaga kumeno kor jatin SPLA yo ke active so mnyuno de malakal de tichunga kada ko da nyok mulo jere yuk malakal chirmente tenwen kada did long than before in jakola do de wa very important long no de kirim yadi dara mal dara je mal chol etel to ngwandi chudien lat so chol ka kirim wona na normal lo nyne de konentere ti gen chol na da na te ka mat akora pal ka je ko wa pawr ke lute ka kirim yadi so mnyuno de mi chikim yadi chelo ka chikum SPLA yo chiken were ko chiga bali dikene kef ki chiken makchela dan chalat ke je ka char de nyo woch cha nyon de no ken gwad mo cha tok chiken buwe ka malakal why they are sending signal ka kum kin yadi ami chikin yadi che yibgi ga dob dan de gwi je wa ano gwi je no dong da de ka we ban ka malakal ke report dan chalat so man di janane an kora me be kir be je pressure ko ba mal be je tan cause kir antama ano jaram dan tika power ki angum be kir lat man yam chala do ne a kur ko nyina wa dong der jang ne ti dia der ga janyal ki de no ngede midit batem cha ko la do ne na tene de ngwane lat ke je gwasmen o angu me mek de nya SPLA yo meken kuma SSP dia ko jamo ka dor shal ko mo Baliet man yam tene etich kala kanu ngum jikane de konte ke buri be de ne SSP am te buri be ngu bengi pingi je man yam kor cha tere nuari ka gwam bar wa kora wa ter gwada dan te de ne SSP dia tin dor jane nyanta dan lat ke jeno so ajen dob dan wona kor ke je so mnyuno de tine de ngwan cha den de lika anu weji chalkamo e Baliet mi cha de kevala tok chen min korma wi min that their signal there jesen ka kirim yadi de no there mal there je chol malep ko tame kuma SPLA yo ko joran chala da wo be kirba mal be je chol ko chala do telle there's no another possibility madong de mal there bin ka je ko kir nge je no godan ci SPLA yo chebet be gwino don ci SPLA yo chikba so na me awa attacking Baliet de kuma SPLA yo jaganne mal ke jaganne ma se ka kirano kono tin mo tiji mal ci tan ba we wonyam so mnyu do de kor jate ka panal so na me amla roda a char wa ko ni de kono chuchere kor me ane de kono chuch kane de la civiliane chuch kan cirga Baliet tan me cha magone ne ga jan run wang pan wachine dial chiga porai wich chicken we ka malakal kadwal inadwal chadial chaka gek tugni teram tere wi ka Baliet ne SSP diap tin tam ne dial charen barka malakal tuan malakal ko chagu jeno kor jatin kam ngam babel e kirm yadi ko ke jaram nan tek control ka ki malka mi chalaro mal tin tel SPLA yo me advance de ke limne mal de na let kamal but ko che gor wajen mi ku SPLA yo ku je push ko buga we wonyam ready reality nyeti wantina one kir no mal aliya ngo tene ti kon chunga kir nyat jokan je SPLA yo ne en wone ne ka burudun chong you are the SSP de chakama but the SSP they are busy attacking SPLA yo territory nyen konatum ka panal ka jongle everywhere la le ci SPLA yo tel gwad but yo bro nyoko mi je ro gwad na cha ka nyoko mu wa ka nyot gwad an tikitin so jen man jakri dial ko bi ka je so chan yigo jen wona ene me kir mi yadi da ram non mal ci jen non wal kum SPLA yo ke ready anytime ko dan ci to ga nasir wa kam jeini nuari kene net konti la dini SSPDF ci kam SPLA yo kene SSPDF but ko ci kir mi yadi check push kace all the cantonment area na SPLA yo chega joch wajen mi jakor ko ba won yam ban ngor ba tikir ke power ko der mal der jino tem mi chala no malatu wano charan pelika wal mal der benan wal de lo ne na dial der tedre wi ke South Sudan teram de mai de yot de jallo aje dide me der badan tem kelio ko SPLA ayo ku gande mano ne e kwera lo nkeje na we ke dialogue a national election alat ke je bu kuram lan ba kwan bo wi kom no hard feeling but a kire no kire jen ba te ko power so report me jen bianga jino apana mi baro nyodo tam che mi chali ngano nyodo rode e kire so mi kire che bu gor ba mal ba jino tel we mi buga chonga je kan SPLA ayo ke ji de ni SSP dia ba chikan bi chongba bala jen kor ke bilyam di bu tok che mana to ko jongle so na me da la jen dan go de nywa kon kel en ban je kanada analysis